Hey guys, I've got my November box here, and yet again I decided to just let them kind of send me whatever they wanted to surprise me with. You actually do get to either choose every item in your box or get a surprise box, or you can choose one of their kind of like pre-made boxes if you just don't have time to choose each item but you want to choose one of their pre-selected boxes. So they have just so many options. It's totally customizable. I will put their information down in the info box, and I think they usually have like a get a free gift with your first box, get free 12 nail polishes for free, or get a free box or something with your first box. So I will put that information down below. But this month they sent me the Julep Take a Breather, the Oxygen Nail Treatment. I actually already have used this before, and it's a really good treatment. It actually does, it provides like a nice kind of coat on your nails so that you could just give your nails a break, and you just put this treatment on and you just wear that for like maybe a week or so, and it's just like a sheer peach color. So your nails don't look totally bare, but they're actually getting a break from being stifled under nail polish. So it's a pretty cool treatment. And then I also got the Julep Roll With It Essential Cuticle Oil. So that's how that looks. It's just a little tube of oil, and you can just kind of roll it on your cuticles. And especially with the winter coming, I know my skin is going to get so dry, my cuticles are going to get so dry. So that's really great to have. And then, oh, these two, this is also a really great thing to have for the winter. It is a natural biocellulose gel sheet mask. Deeply hydrates and repairs, triple quench. So it has step 1, essence ampule gel. Step 2 is the sheet mask. And then step 3 is the sleeping pack. So I guess you do at nighttime, you do first step 1, then step 2, then step 3, and you should wake up like super refreshed and hydrated. It already looks really cool, and I don't think I've done a 3-step one like this before, so I'm definitely gonna have to try this very soon. I think that looks really great. My skin is already starting to get kind of like the winter skin thing going on with the temperatures going down, so this will be a good one to try. So that was my November box, and these are some great picks for the cold weather that we have coming up. So if you guys want to go check Julep out, or if you already are a member and you just want to go and in your next box choose some of these items, or let me know what you've been getting in your box if you've just been opting for nail polish instead of more of like the beauty items. Thanks for watching. Bye.